This video is dedicated to Excel's Text-to-Columns tool. It is quite useful in situations when you have a large amount of text within single cells of your spreadsheet. Practitioners often have to copy raw data from a PDF file, and the data from each row goes in one cell. In this sheet, we have data in a few rows which is in the same cell and is neither understandable nor usable. In order to organize such data, we have to use text-to-columns. I'll go in the Data menu and click the Text-to-Columns box. In this dialog box, the Excel provides us two choices. We have to decide which will be the criteria that we will indicate how to separate the data in columns. Delimited with is suitable when the data within the cell is separated by a blank space, comma, dot, or something else. Fixed with, on the other hand, is the mechanical way to divide the data in columns. In our case, it seems that delimited with should work. Very often, you have to try a few times in order to find the right way to separate the data into columns. In this dialog box, we need to choose the criterion which will be used in order to separate the data into columns. I'll check the box Space, and here we have a preview of what will be the output of our modification. I think it looks good, and that's why I'll click Finish in order to complete the command. Okay, here it is. Our data is nicely organized into columns. This is how we use text-to-columns. Thank you for watching.